I've been comparing eToro and Interactive Brokers for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest breakdown of which platform you should consider using in 2025. If you're trying to decide between the two, stick around to find out which one fits your investing needs. So what is eToro? eToro is a global trading platform that offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is social trading, which allows you to copy top investors' strategies. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to learn from others while investing. What I like about eToro: zero commission trading on a wide range of assets like stocks and crypto. The social trading features make it easier to follow and learn from experienced traders. It's user-friendly, making it ideal for newcomers to investing. Now let's talk about Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers (IBKR) is a global broker that provides access to a wide variety of assets, including stocks, options, futures, and international markets. It's known for its low-cost trading and advanced trading tools, making it perfect for more experienced and active traders. What I like about Interactive Brokers: low-cost trading, especially if you're an active investor or trader. Powerful tools and resources for active traders, like real-time market data and research reports. Access to global markets, allowing you to trade international assets seamlessly. Here's where they differ. eToro is ideal for those who want a hands-off, easy-to-use platform with social trading and simplicity. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, is designed for more active traders who need advanced tools and the ability to trade globally at a low cost. So, which one do you need? If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with social trading and a beginner-friendly approach, eToro is a solid choice. But if you're a more experienced trader who needs advanced tools and low-cost access to global markets, Interactive Brokers is the better option for you. If this review helped, give a super thanks by hitting that heart icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, straight-to-the-point reviews. See you in the next one.